bringing me out the dark. Finally I can see